Hello, this is Don again with thereasonablerealtor.com. Thereasonablerealtor.com. It is a website, it is a blog, it is a wealth of information. I would like to invite you to go there. I've just completed and have put up offering completely free. Um, it's a register for whether you're selling your house for sale by owner or with being listed by a realtor. However, you're selling your house, if it's in Tennessee, if it's in Texas, if it's in North Dakota, this is something I think you're going to find very handy. It's a register, it's a planner, it's a place where you will keep track of all of the contact details of the people involved in your transaction. Maybe another realtor, the buyer's realtor, maybe your realtor, uh, closing companies, if it's appraisers, things of that nature. Here's a planner that you can keep it all in one place. It's about time, you might say. Well, yeah. uh, but I finally just finished it. And it is free. I'm offering it free on the website, thereasonablerealtor.com. Go there now. Just in case, I've put the URL down here in the comments section, so you can make it very easy on yourself to get there and get that. It's a free PDF print off. It's a planner for your real estate transaction, yours for the taking. If you would, thumbs up this video. That would be great. In fact, there's a place over here to subscribe to my videos for a hoot, and even make a comment or ask a question. I promise I will get back to you. All I got for today. I thank you, and I will see you next.